All right, how are we doing? This is Steve with the Malone Home Team EXP here in the North Georgia area. We are here at Meritage Homes Hamilton Crossing in Buford, right off of Hamilton Mill Road, basically right between, like 85 and 985, right in the middle, like of everything Buford. I mean, we're minutes from downtown Buford. We're minutes from the Mall of Georgia, a couple minutes from the interstate. So you get on 85 or jump on 985. You'd be downtown if you want, depending on what time, it could be 6 hours, but it could be downtown, the location of this is so cool. I mean, everything is like right here in this area. The cool thing about this neighborhood is it does not look like one of those neighborhoods where they cookie cutter all the houses and they just like slam them things together, and you get like a little postage stamp. You get a little bit of yard here in this new construction, which you don't get a whole lot in the Metro Atlanta area, where you get like these really nice houses at reasonable prices and you get a decent yard in a nice location. I mean, like I said, you typically don't get all of that. So here's the thing about this location. We're gonna show you some of the inside of the house here in just a minute, but we'll talk about some of the incentives they got going on. So we're shooting this in October. These incentives are gonna change every single month. So, reach out to us because we kind of work with them. We're in the area. We can call and find out what the incentives are for this month. But right now, the incentives from Meritage in October of 24, they're offering 4.5% for 30 years and $10,000 in closing cost assistance if you use a preferred lender. And I was just talking with their sales team, and what they said is, and you don't get this in new construction. You're gonna get a fridge, you're gonna get blinds, you're gonna get the garage opener, and you're gonna get washer and dryer. So you get all of that with these Meritage homes here in the Atlanta area right now. So that's a really good deal on new construction. something that, is newer, you don't have to worry about it, but you still get some of the kind of the older charm, and you get the location, all that stuff. This is really cool. It's a really good spot to look at. So how do we get some more information? Well, you can go to Meritage Homes, and from there you can select Hamilton Crossing from there to see all the information. I'll put the link below, like a fast link in the description below. We keep talking about it. The market's kind of slowing down a little bit at the end of the year. Recording this in October of 24. Dude, you can get some really cool incentives right now, especially here at Meritage. 4.5% for 30 years. 4.5% for 30 years. That's pretty cool. And you also get $10,000 in closing cost assistance to go along with that. So they've got that going on. If you have information or questions about it, I should say, let me know. Emails below, phone numbers below, and I got the link to their floor plans and everything below as well. I appreciate your time. This is Steve with the Malone Home Team, EXP in North Georgia. Take care, bye.